Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating these beautiful decorative mason style jars that feature a Valentine's theme. These jars have a rustic look and feature multiple uses and labeling options. Please see the description box below to see all of the items and tools used in this project. I am so in love with this project, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor today to my channel and love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, let's jump right into that project. For this project, we will be using 4 mason style jars with the wide mouth. You can get these about anywhere for less than $1 a piece in a 12-pack. We're going to go ahead and remove the lids and place them to the side. Now go ahead and lay down a piece of protective paper and gather up your painting supplies. Now I will be using this white chalk paint for the jars. Now we just want to take our brush and apply one generous coat of the paint to the entire outside of the jar. Since I was going for a lightly worn look, then a second coat won't be needed for this. Now while those dry, I will go ahead and prepare the ribbon. Now I have 4 strips of this black and white check fabric cut from scraps that I already had on hand, but you could use ribbon. And I'll also be using this Burlap fabric ribbon that I got on a 70% clearance. Now what I'm doing here is going ahead and measuring and cutting about 13-inch long strips. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our checkered strips and glue them down the center of the burlap strip. And here are all 4 strips ready to go. Now by this time your jars should be dry. So now what we're going to do is prepare the paint worn look on these jars. So I'll be using acrylic paints in the color Pavement and also a white colored acrylic paint. Now I'll be using the sponge brush to apply these paints. I'm just going to blend the colors together and dab off the excess paint. So you have a mostly dry brush, and then kind of wisp the brush across your jars in a random pattern. So now that all 4 of these are done, we can go ahead and add our ribbon. What we want to do is just wrap the ribbon around the center and glue down one end. Now I folded in the other end about 1/2 inch, and then I'm just going to go ahead and align it and glue it in place, matching it up to the others. And here are all 4 jars with the ribbon. So now I'll be applying the word love using these poster stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. All we want to do is just peel and stick the letters onto the burlap ribbon. Now, if you want these on there permanently, go ahead and apply a bit of hot glue to the back of the sticker if you like. Now we're going to add some jute twine from the Dollar Tree to the top of the jars. We're just going to wrap those around the thread several times, and then we're going to secure it in place with a dab of hot glue. Then we're just going to cut another generous piece of twine, and we're going to tie a bow around the top. And here they are. All that's left to do is add some rose bunches and hearts. And here is our completed project, you guys. This project is so quick and easy to do, and it turns out so beautiful. Those red roses perfectly add that final touch to this love theme. I also decided to add these cute little glitter hearts from the Dollar Tree, and they really radiate that Valentine's ambiance that I was going for. Now I chose these red roses, but you can add white, pink, blush, or any kind of flower or color that you love. There are so many options on the wording too. You can have this say home, calm, or customize it to your liking. The letters are easy to switch out to make it your own. If you like that home sign on the wall as well, please see a link in the description box for a tutorial on that project. And check this out. Turn those babies around and add some of those chalkboard tags from the Dollar Tree, and you can make customized multi-purpose jars. I placed my crafting tools in mine and labeled them with a chalk marker. I just love projects that can be used for multi-purposes. Don't you? Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and I can keep bringing you more projects. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by clicking that button below and turning on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.